Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Osaka Castle Park. Osaka Castle Park is a large and popular park in the center of Osaka City. It's a great place to enjoy both history and nature. In the middle of the park stands Osaka Castle, one of the famous sports castles from Japan's samurai era. It was first built in the late 1500s by Toyotomi Hideyoshi. The current main tower was rebuilt in 1931. From the top, you can see a wide view of the city. Inside the castle, there is a museum with many displays about Hideyoshi and the samurai period. The park is beautiful in every season. In spring, about 3,000 cherry blossoms bloom, and many people come to enjoy hanami, cherry blossom viewing. In autumn, the red and yellow leaves are also very nice. People enjoy jogging, picnics, and other outdoor events in the park. Today, Osaka Castle Park also has a concert at Osaka Joe Hall and seasonal light-up events. Signs and apps in many languages will help foreign visitors. The park is easy to reach by subway. You can walk from Tanimachi Yonchome Station or Morinomiya Station. This park is a wonderful place to visit in Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.